How to log in into Walmart MoneyCard. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to sign in to Walmart's MoneyCard, here is the tutorial. First of all, open any of your browsers such as Chrome and tap on the search bar. Type in Walmart MoneyCard login. The search result will show you access your account Walmart MoneyCard login. Tap on it and it'll take you to another page whereby you can put in your credentials. This includes the online user ID you received and the password. To avoid keeping it again and again, tap on Remember User ID. Likewise, you can create a login account as well. Tap on Forget User ID or Password if you do not remember it. Select the information to reset your login details. If you do not have your user ID or do not have the card as well, you require your personal information such as social security number and the zip code. Once this is done, you'll be verified and will be allowed to reset. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.